Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable action mode on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max and to turn on action mode it is very easy. Just go to camera and here go to video, and here on the top we have the action mode icon. Here there is, just tap on it and now it's yellow. And now if you will shoot a video, the image will be more stabilized. And to disable, just tap again and action mode is turned off. So again, action mode, and to turn off again, and action mode is turned off. And here I have an example for you. In the left side we have without action mode, and in the right side it's with action mode enable, and you can make your own impression. So I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.